Make a great choice today with the 2026 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance